Good morning, everyone. It's our second day in Oahu, and we're trying out the pastries from Kona Coffee Purveyors. We have had their coffee before. It's really good. I got a iced latte with oat milk and honey, Hawaiian honey. Very delicious. What'd you get?
Cold brew.
So we're gonna try some of their pastries. We've never tried them before. We were always getting their coffee, but this time we actually got a couple to try, and we'll see how they taste. So this one is...
I don't know what it's called. I forgot what it's called.
We'll put it in the caption. This is the original though. And then we also got the matcha. What it looks like. First bite.
Oh.
Mm.
Buttery, flaky.
It's like a sugar, sweet croissant. That's really good.
Really buttery.
What do you think about that?
It's cool.
They're doing construction outside, so we'll see how good the audio ends up being.
A chip.
It's like sugar. Rating.
8.
It's a 9 for me. I think it's really good. All right, let's try the matcha. So it looks like. I'm gonna try to get a bite with the matcha in it. It's like a matcha cream. Good, huh? Really good. I like that it has a little bit of bitterness because it's really sweet and really buttery. But the matcha bitterness kind of cuts it, but it still adds like some nice sweetness to it.
That's a 9.
I'm changing my score. The original is an 8. The matcha is a 9. Is that what you said? Yeah. Yum. They have other flavors. Black sesame.
I guess we gotta try them.
I guess we gotta try all the other desserts because it's a long line. I think it took us like 30 minutes to get our food and drink. So, cheers. It's in bad condition, but it's variegated.
I'll look at you and say 나를 봐봐 my craze 조금 더 망설이지 마 alright I don't want a best friend 너도 나와 같은 맘이야 waiting to get there 나를 보며 웃어줘
So much to choose from.
서로 즐겼지만 사랑한 그것만큼만 keep it up keep
We're in the car in the garage, so sorry for the bad lighting. So we're gonna have some of the food right now. We put the poke in the back. Probably have that at the beach. Show us what you have.
Shrimp tempura.
And I got pulled pork and rice. My favorite.
Alright, let's see.
So flavorful.
It's a little dry.
I don't mind it. Flavor's there.
Flavor is there.
Rating.
7.
8.
Alright, here we go.
Oh,
It's just been sitting out.
Soggy.
Maybe longer than it should be.
It was good.
It was, probably. Whoa, random.
Oh, you got a gyoza!
And we get a curly fry in the regular. That's better than the shrimp.
Also got pound of wings. Kind of a lot of food. Cheers.
Cheers. That's a big one.
Ooh!
That's good.
I like it a lot. The sourness is nice.
Like lemon pepper.
The wings are a little bit crispier, but flavor's on point. The fact that this is grocery store food, crazy. Rate the wing.
8.5. 8 point.
Rate the shrimp. Oh, did you already rate it?
Yeah, I think I said 6. But I think that's going down to a 4.
Shrimp, I'd say 6 as well. Cheese, 7. We're going to the beach now. Hopefully it's not raining. Lanikai Beach. It's our favorite beach, probably that we've ever been to. Also where Ryan proposed, so it has special meaning. And the sand here is just incredible. The vibes here are amazing, and right now there's not that many people, so it's pretty chill. I have my twisted tea, and we're having a good time. And it's not too sunny, not too rainy, so right in the middle. Cheers! I got some items from Foodland. We're so excited to eat, so we're actually gonna start with dessert first. This is Halpia. If you haven't tried it before, it's like a coconut milk dessert, kind of like almost the texture of Jello, but it's one of my favorite things. I'm not always a huge coconut person, but this is good. We also ended up getting a slice of Ted's Bakery chocolate Halpia pie. They're famous for this. Their original shop is on North Shore, so if you can't get it there, go to Foodland and get yourself a slice. They also sell it in a full pie if you really wanted it. But we're gonna give these a try. We've had the pie before, we've had the Halpia, but having it on the beach, that's new for us. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it. Starting with the Halpia, what it looks like. Doesn't look as appetizing, but trust me, it's good. They actually sold a bigger container of this and I thought about getting it. I love it. It's like just the right amount of sweetness. It's not too coconutty, where it's like overwhelming. It's so refreshing without being too heavy. Fire. Rating 10. 10 out of 10. Every time. Alright. Should we try the pie? Of course, if you get it fresh from the bakery, freshly sliced, it won't look this bad, but the fact that we didn't have to go to North Shore for this, cool. Cheers! Ooh. So good. Pretty sweet, I will say, but it is a pie, so can't complain. I would say this 9 out of 10. No comments on my pickleball tan lines. We're here at the Pig and the Lady. It's one of our favorite restaurants in Oahu. We've been here many times. It's our first time coming, just us two. We're just ordering a couple things. We always get the wings, probably our favorite thing here. Best wings I've probably ever had in my life. And they come with like the cabbage at the bottom. Here we go. Fire every time. And I have some of that slaw at the bottom. Yummy! So much lemongrass.
Okay.
Alright, we got our main dishes. We got the pasta and the steak. We're gonna try the pasta first. Cheers! Cheers! You want me to wait for you?
Go.
That's really good. Super beefy, but not too rich. I love the flat noodles. Or my bad, the flat pasta. I'm gonna go for the steak first. Cheers! Has some good char on there. So tender. Some more daikon? Very salty. Everything is so good. We always order too much food. Yum. What is this? Can you read it off the menu?
Yuzu guava shave ice with creme fraiche panna cotta, macerated strawberries, salsa coconut, nata de coco, and macra lime.
Okay, we're gonna try it now. Our server said panna cotta's all the way bottom. Ooh, look, I got a big bite. I don't know why it's reminding me of Hala Hala for some reason. Cheers. Cheers. Mmm. Wow. I love Hala Hala. Yeah, the lime leaf. They put like little shreds of it on the top. Whoa, it's just good. I like the creaminess too, because there's a lot of fruity flavors. It balances it out. It's light after a big hearty meal. Perfect. Okay.